Hi everyone, welcome to the Growbiz ERP Fleet Setup Guide. In this video, we will help you complete the one-time permission required before using the application. So these setup only need to be completed once during a first installation of the application. So these permissions are essential for the Fleet app to track trips accurately and ensure that trip recording continue even when the app is running in the background. So let's get started. Step 1 will be installing the application. For that, just go to the Play Store on your device. Just click on the Play Store, and here on the search bar, search Growbiz ERP Fleet. So here we can see the Growbiz ERP Fleet, and click on that and click on Install button. So once the installation is completed, click on Open. So when you open the app for the first time, you will see a screen titled Permissions Required. On the screen, you will notice three important setup steps that need to be completed before you can continue using the application. They are Enable Location Access, Enable Notification, Disable Battery Restriction. Before we configure these settings, let's understand why each permission is important. So step 1 is location access. So location access is required to record your trip routes accurately. So since the Fleet app tracks trips even when it's running in the background, the location permission must be set to allow all the time. And step 2 is notification. So notification permission allow the tracking service to continue running in the background and keep you informed about the important tracking events. And step 3 is battery restriction. Battery optimization setting help Android save power by limiting background apps. To ensure uninterrupted trip tracking, the Fleet app should be excluded from battery restriction. So now let's configure this permission. So on the permission required screen, on the bottom of the screen, you can see an option called the open settings. Click on that. So that this will open to the app information page for the Growbiz ERP Fleet application. So on this app information screen, we can see a option called permission. Just click on that. Here we just click on this location and click on this allow all the time. So this setting allow the application to access your location continuously for the accurate trip tracking. Once done, go back to the previous screen, and here you can see notification option. Just click on the notification and just enable this Growbiz ERP Fleet notification. So this allow the app to run its tracking service properly in the background. After enabling notification, just go back and just again let's go back and just click on this open setting, and next we can set the battery usage. For that, just open this app battery usage. So depending on your phone model, this option may have a slightly different name. For example, you may see battery, app battery usage, battery optimization, etc. So here we can see three different options. Currently I'm giving the unrestricted option. So, or select the option that allow the application to use the battery without restriction. So again, the wording may be different depending on your device, but the goal is to remove battery restriction for the Fleet application. So this ensures that the Android does not stop trip tracking while the application is running in the background. So once you've completed this step, return to the Fleet application. So here we can see the registration page. So now your Growbiz ERP Fleet application is fully configured and ready to use. Now you can continue to the registration process, which we will cover in the next tutorial video. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.